Hello everyone, this is Satyam and welcome to English by Satyam Sir YouTube channel. My dear friends, in this video we will learn important phrasal verbs of pull. Okay my dear friends, so without getting delay, let's get started. So first phrasal verb is pull down. Pull down. So my dear friends, pull down have two meanings. First one is to demolish, or destroy a building, or structure. Okay my dear friends, to demolish or destroy a building or structure. And the second one is to lower or decrease value, quality or reputation, of something, quality and reputation of something. So two meanings: to demolish or destroy a building or structure, and second one is to lower or decrease value, quality or reputation. Okay my dear friends, now we are talk about examples. Okay, so first example is the old building was pulled down to make a restaurant. Okay, so the old building was pulled down to make a restaurant. Okay my dear friends, next example, the scandal caused the company's stock prices to be pulled down. Okay my dear friends, the scandal caused the company's stock prices to be pulled down. Okay my dear friends, next phrasal verb is number second one is pull off. Okay my dear friends, so pull off means to succeed in doing something, or achieving something with great difficulty. Means to obtain something, to achieve something with great difficulty. Pull off. Okay, so example is despite. Okay, in the exams the examiner gives despite of, so here we do not use of with despite. Okay, so despite the odds, she managed to pull out pull off a victory pull off a victory in the competition, in the competition, in the competition. Okay, my dear friends. So despite the odds, she managed to pull off a victory in the competition. Okay, so my dear friends, I hope you learned this. Seventh, I'm sorry, this is number third phrasal verb is pull out, pull out, or pull out of, or pull out of, pull out, or you can say pull out of. What means it? So my dear friends, pull out of means to withdraw, to withdraw from a commitment, to withdraw from a commitment, agreement, or situation, or situation. Okay, to withdraw from a commitment, agreement, or situation. Okay, example is the company, the company decided, the company decided to pull out of the agreement, pull out of the agreement due to financial reasons, due to financial reasons, due to financial reasons. Okay, my dear friends. So the company decided to pull out of the agreement due to financial reasons. Okay, my dear friends. Now we are moving to the next phrasal verb, and the fourth one is pull apart. Pull apart. So let's try to understand the meaning of pull apart. So my dear friends, pull apart have two meanings. First one is to separate, to separate, or to separate or dissemble, to separate or dissemble something, to separate or dissemble something, to separate or dissemble something by pulling it in a different directions, by pulling it, by pulling it, by pulling it in different directions, in different directions, in different directions. Okay, I hope you got the meaning of this word. Okay, second meaning of this phrasal verb is, second meaning of this phrasal verb is to criticize, to criticize someone or something, to criticize someone or something very harshly, very harshly, very harshly, to criticize someone or something very harshly. Okay, as example, first example, I'm going to take the first example is she pulled, she pulled apart, she pulled apart the puzzle, she pulled apart the puzzle pieces to solve the, to solve the problem, to solve the problem. And the second example is, and the second example is he pulled, he pulled apart, he pulled apart my performance, my performance, he pulled apart my performance. Okay, so I hope you have got the meaning of this word, this phrasal verb. Okay, and the last, today's last and fifth, today's last phrasal verb is, today's last phrasal verb is pull up. Okay, so pull up, what means pull up? Pull up means to bring a vehicle, to a stop or park it, okay my dear friends. As example, she pulled up in front of the house, in front of the house, okay. She pulled up in the front of house and turned off the engine, okay my dear friends. So pull up, to bring vehicle to a stop or park it. Example, she pulled up in front of the house and turned off the engine, okay my dear friends. So in this video we did 5 phrasal verbs of pull, and in the next video we will discuss next 5 phrasal verbs of pull. Okay, so there are 10 phrasal verbs, right? Overall 10 phrasal verbs. So we did it 5 in this video and we will do 5 in the next video. Okay, so my dear friend, we will meet in the next video. Thank you very much.